Hi, this is Becky with Rebecca's Macrame Closet. This is actually part one of a series of videos that I'm going to talk about macrame tips and tricks. And today I'm going to just kind of touch some of the basics. Here I have 6mm bonnet cord. First thing that you want to do when you do actually want to start a plant hanger is you want to determine where you want to have the plant hanger. Measure the length, um, get an idea of where you want it before you actually start cutting your cord. I use, again, 6mm Bonnie braided cord. You can get that through pepperell.com. Um, and also, you want to have good durable brass rings. This is a 3-inch ring that I come. It's a very heavy duty, very durable on that. Basically, for measuring, you want to have about 4 times of the cord for the actual length that you want. So if you want a 3-foot plant hanger, you want to have close to about right around 10 to 12 feet of cord. Uh, Now for a 4-branch plant hanger, you typically want to have cut. I would start with 11-foot cords, and my arm width is actually right around 4 feet on that, so I basically just strip off of the skein of yarn about 3 times the width of my arm length, and then just cut the cord. And you want to repeat this basically for 8 cord lengths. That will give you, when you double it over on the ring, 16 cord lengths. Now I will actually be, in the second part of this video, then I will show you how I string the cord length through to make sure that you have the proper length for your plant hangers. Again, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any other questions, just get a hold of me at rebeccasmacramecloset.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.